Weighing 3,000 pounds, Teddy knock.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, delight, and much interesting video here on the channel, man. Nigerians are really making us proud outside there, man. It's really amazing. But the ladies, the men in the industry, in the entertainment industry at the moment, man, they are really holding it down. You know, Tiwa started her world tour. Mama Jamal started her world tour, and she gave it to them hot, back to back. In New York City. She started her performance with just a hair bonnet and a nightie, then before she took it to the next level. Anyway, the highlight of the concert is what I'll be bringing to you here in this video. You know how we do it here on Lion Mark TV. We definitely bring you highlights from some of the most amazing shows all over the world. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section, because you know your thoughts and your comments are highly valuable here.
You guys are taking the piss, so this is what I'm gonna wear tonight.
Yeah, no.
Weighing 3,000 pounds, Teddy knock.
That was super amazing, man. That was really, really amazing. Tiwa Savage, she's not just the queen of Afrobeat in Africa, she's also the queen of Afrobeat globally. And yes, I feel that was a little from the iceberg from her world tour, which she just kicked off in New York City. And I believe that other countries, other states where all of those concerts will be performed are definitely going to feel the love, the massive love. Anyway, I'll be sharing with you another highlight from the after party and little from the concert. Enjoy.